What if I told you that managing all your money, every single dollar you earn, could be done just one simple rule? No complicated spreadsheet, no expensive financial advisor, just three numbers: 50, 30, and 20. Stick with me for the next 8 minutes. I promise you will never stress about budgeting again. Welcome back to the Well Truth, the channel where you make personal finance simple, practical, and actually fun. I am Max, and today we are talking about one of the most powerful budgeting method ever created, the 50-30-20 budget rule. Whether you earn $20,000 a month or a $20,000 a month, the rule works for everyone, and by the end of the video, you will know exactly how to apply it to your own life starting today. But first, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button right now. We drop new finance video every Tuesday and Friday. The 50-30 rule was popularized by US Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book All Your Worth. And it is beautifully simple. The idea is this: take your monthly after tax income, the money that actually hits to your bank accounts, and divide it into just three categories. 50 goes to your needs, 30 goes to your wants, and 20 goes to your savings and debt payoff. That's it. This is the entire rule. Three categories, 3 percentage, one powerful system. Let us break down each category starting with needs. The 50% that covers everything you absolutely must pay. Needs are expensive, you cannot avoid. Things like rent or mortgages payment, groceries, the basic food you need to survive, utility bills, electricity, water, gas, transportation to work, car payments, gas or a bus fare, health insurance, and a minimum debt payment. You notice what is not in this category? Netflix, dining out, gym, membership, new clothes. Those are wants, not needs. Be honest with yourself about this distinction. It is the most important part of the making this rule work. Now here is the part people love: the 30% for bonds. Bonds are the thing that make life enjoyable but that you could technically live without. This include dining out and restaurants, Netflix, Spotify, streaming services, new clothes, shoes and accessories, vacation and travel, gym memberships and hobbies, the latest iPhone upgrade. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is that it does not tell you to stop spending on things you enjoy. It just gives you a limit. 30% of your income is yours to enjoy, guilt free. But here is the key: once that 30% is spent, it is gone. You do not dip into your savings to fund more wants. And now, the most important category of all, the 20% for saving and debt payoff. This is the category that separates people who build wealth from people who stay broke their entire lives. Your 20% should go to work building your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, paying off high interest debt like credit cards, contributing to your retirement account, 400k or a Roth IRA, investing in index fund or a stocks, saving for a major goal, a house, a car, a business. Here is the golden rule about the 20%. pay yourself first. The moment you pay check arrive, transfer that 20% to a separate saving account immediately. Before you pay bills, before you buy groceries, before you buy anything, that one habit alone will change your financial life. Let me show you exactly how this works with a real example. Let us say you earn $3,500 per month after tax. This is a very common income for someone in their 20s or 30s in the US. 50% for needs is equal to 1,750 per month. This covers your rent, groceries, bills, and a transport. 30% for wants, which is approximately 100 $1,050 per month. This is your dining out, entertainment, and a fun money. 20% for savings, which are approximately $700 per month. This goes to your straight to your saving account or investment automatically. $700 per month invested for 30 years at 7% average return. So, did you imagine how it had become? It become over $850,000 from just following a simple budget rule. This is the power of 50, 30, and 20 system. So here is your homework for this week. I want you to calculate your 50, 30, 20 numbers, take your monthly after tax income, multiply it by 0. 0.5, 0. 0.3 and a 0. 0.2 and write those three numbers down right now. Then drop your monthly income in the comment below and I will personally calculate your 50, 30, 20 numbers for you. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, your wealth rule start with one smart decision, and today you just made it. Goodbye.